Alright, so it's been a few days. It's now Michigan and it's now like 43, 44 outside. Yeah, it's pretty warm. It's really warm. Yesterday it was actually 40, but the day before it was like 10. Oh, this is gonna be a mess. It already is a mess. This driveway's a mess. But it is warm out. So I'm hoping this lock will be unfrozen. Because, you know, done it before. And then we can go cheat this minty lawnmower. It hasn't been started up all winter. My fault entirely, but, you know. Oh, mint. Mint. She's open. Alright. And this door is frozen now. Let's see if we got any mice infestation. Shoved. Yeah, I think we do. Oh yeah. It looks like it, but it doesn't look as bad as last time. These goddamn mice. Did she turn it over? Oh yeah. I hope the battery isn't. I shoved those in here where the air goes in, you know what I mean? Hopefully keep the little things out. It still smells. We have rodent repellers up there and we got these. But, you know, that only does so much. Let's see what we got. How the heck did he? Definitely isn't that bad in there. Not as bad as last time. This is the daily. There's a dead mice in there. Check that out, guys. Or he's just like frozen. Look at that. Check that out, guys. Well, I didn't kill him. Yeah, but it's a dead mice. Oh well. I might take off this cover again, which I don't really want to do. I don't think it's that bad. I honestly don't. It just needs to be cleared out so it doesn't overheat. It should fire up. Fire right up. It's 40. It's not very cold. It just hasn't been fired up. It's been sitting for, oh God, I don't know. I'd say probably close to 6 months. It hasn't been started. 100% my fault. I just haven't had time to get out here and do it, mostly because I've been just really forgot about it. Oh, I might take off this cover again, guys. Still feels pretty good. It's just there's a whole bunch of little. Oh, there's a mice right there. I've seen them with my own 2 eyes. We're gonna have to wait for my brother to get up anyways, so better be safe than sorry. We got fuel. Let's see what we got in here. Oh yeah, we got a little bit of fuel. We also got fuel over there. We're gonna fire up the weed whacker. We're gonna fire up that. Well, I think the first business is gonna be getting this dang door open, which looks to be, you know, a use device issue. That comes first. Oh yeah, that's ice down in there. Dang it, man. Don't know why I lost it. That door opened all the way, no problem. I need. Alright, I'll be back once I get this door open, guys. Man, got this door open. Wide open. I might. I don't know if I'm gonna. I think I'll take it, just kind of drive it up. That's it. I just want to move it. I just want to get that tranny. it's not freezing temp, so the tranny shouldn't be frozen. It's actually a little bit warmer in here than it is outside. You know, a little bit of gas. We got more gas over there. Yeah. So I'm gonna work on getting this cover off again with like the only wrench I have here, which is just so happens to be the right size. While I'm doing this, talk to you guys about some videos. I just uploaded another quad races compilation video. I put it in a pallet cold start. That wasn't very good. It was just cold start. So yeah, we don't have any ratchets or anything here. My neighbor does, but I'm afraid he's not really home. He doesn't live there quite yet. There'll probably be farming videos here coming up in the summer because I'll be hanging with him and I'll be hanging with my friend, and I'll be helping my aunt and my uncle do their woodworking. Thrift Craftworks, look them up. They make cool whiskey barrel products and stuff. I'll be helping them make them. Spring break, and then there's another date we have set in May sometime. But yeah, I'll be earning money for it. I wonder if we'll find any more dead mousey boys in here. I'm glad it's not freezing cold out, because that way my fingers don't freeze. So this is actually a really good time to do this because my fingers aren't even cold. Like, they are just a little bit, but it's not freezing out, so I really like that it's warm out. There's one. We'll put these. I need to get a bench built in here, but put them right there. Remember that? Yeah, I do need to get a bench built in here for sure. I just don't have 2x4s to do it with, so yeah, you can kind of see in there. You guys are upside down, but oh yeah, that definitely needs to be cleaned up. It looks bad, but it's not really. All it is just grass from outside because this is not really good sealed. It needs to really just. I need to get some expanding foam, and not to insulate it because it doesn't need to be insulated. That'll just be a waste. Wouldn't be hard to, but it wouldn't be worth it. Just need to take some expanding foam around the little creases and everything, just to seal the plywood to this. Make sure none of these little freaking things get in here. See, I blocked off. It's on. I blocked that off with zip ties. Hopefully keep them. I think it kept it down. I think it kept the crime levels down just a little bit. Which is good. It'll be a bit before I can fire this one up because my brother's sleeping. If I wake him up, he'll be all mad and everything. So. Yeah. I went snowmobiling yesterday. I mountain slide first time. I'll be putting up that video up on my channel. I just gotta set it up. I use my action camera. I got some videos on my phone. This one is the most painful one. That one's hard to get in because I just didn't want to deal with it. I wouldn't go in only because the yeah, I'll get these in, so this isn't like a 20-minute video. I don't want it to be super long. And I'll be back. Alright guys, so we're going to take this off and see what kind of bad juice is under here. Oh crap, did I forget about that one bolt? Nope. That's not good. There you go. Oh, that ain't bad. Nah, that ain't bad at all. Not bad compared to all the other times that it happened. I don't have a shop vac. My neighbor does. I wanted to borrow his a while ago, but I haven't been able to borrow it. It's fine though. Any smoke that comes from the engine will probably be from all this grass. Which is why I'm trying to get it all out at the moment. should be fine though. Not chew through anything. There's a little bit of that. I know I need to, probably should wait on putting this all back together until the neighbor's out. I might go check if he's over there because I need a shop vac so I can go, or even like something to blow it out with. Shop vac would be better because it'll make a heck of a lot less mess. So I'm gonna go see if he's out. I don't know if he is, but we'll see. Alright guys, so it's like almost 11. My brother still isn't up. It's been probably about 2 hours. Neighbor texted me back and he told me he's not gonna be, he doesn't know if he's gonna be up here today, and his shop vac is with his sister, so I can't use his shop vac, so I'm just gonna try to kind of dig it out the best I can with some pliers or whatever. But yeah, it's quite a mess. Now I gotta get all that out of there. I don't have any new ones, we have pliers. I could just kind of send her full with this. Ooh, mint. Just trying to kind of dig it out. It's kind of coming out. These damn lights. Oh, nothing's gonna be able to get down there. Damn it, dude. I wish I had a damn shot. Guess I know there's a bolt right there. Okay, so a little bit of an update. I'm putting it back on. I got a lot of it out. It's pretty clean, as you can see. I got a lot of it out. There's just a little bit down in there, but it probably will burn out. Now I gotta get this back on here. There we go. There's a lost horse that's been lost for a week or two. Yeah. So I'm hoping for it safe with journal. I think that's kind of starting to put it on a search party for it. I've been looking for it forever though. Let's see if I can get this in here though. Just a little, there we go. In there. I think. There we go. Alright, I'm ready.